Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel M2K Science. Today's video we will discuss about some important books that you can choose for solving the sample papers and objective type questions. Now you first of all, before solving the sample papers, you should solve the previous year's paper because they are most important and they are given by the CBSE board, so you will get a good idea. Even I solved the question papers of last 7 to 5 years, so you should always solve the previous year's paper before the sample papers, but you will not get the 20 marks objective questions in the previous year papers. You will only get that for the 1 year, that is of year 2020. So for solving those type of questions you require a book. So I am going to discuss about all those books. So first of all, let us talk about science. I have these books from Super 20 together. These are by full marks. This is not a promoted video. I am only here to show you the best book that is for solving the sample papers. So you can choose this book by Super 20. This has 10 solved sample papers and 10 unsolved sample papers. So if you are done by solving the solved sample papers, you will get an idea that how to solve these, and then you even have 10 unsolved sample papers, because sometimes we want to give ourselves a practice. So you can choose those questions, but those unsolved sample papers also have some hints and answers, so that if you are not able to answer those questions, then you can you can look at the back for the answers. Now it even has the question papers of last year, like I had for 2020. You will have that for 2020 with the marking scheme, that how they are giving you the marks. Like if a question is for 3 marks, 1 mark is given for the content, 1 mark is given for the diagram, etc. You will get the description that how marks are given. Next, you will even have the sample papers that CBSE has given. CBSE gives sample papers each and every year. Like this book is for 2020, so this book has the sample paper issued by CBSE, recent sample paper which CBSE is issuing each and every year. This book will have the solved question paper of the last year, that is you will get the question paper of 2020 or whichever you are studying in, and it will have the marking scheme as well. So these books are really very good for science as well, and even for the next subject, English. You will even get the toppers answer sheets. You will get the toppers answer sheets, the print of that book, so you can even see that how can I score good marks, how I have to write the answers, what are the various marking schemes, what points are teachers looking for, how should we write the answers, what should be the format of writing the answers. Then the same case is with Hindi. Like see, you will have a question paper of the topper of the previous year at the back of your book. So this book even has the solution of all the 10 solved sample papers, 10 unsolved sample papers with answers, and even you will get the sample paper issued by CBSE, the previous year question paper of CBSE. So these books are very good, and you will get all the content in one single book. Now next book for social science as well, they have very good sample papers, and they have mock test and answer sheet of the previous year toppers. You will come to know that what bullet points should I form, how I should draw my map, how I should locate the points inside the map, how the answers should be written. So you can concentrate on that as well. For mathematics as well, I have this book, and this is a very good book. You should definitely buy, at least for those subjects in which you are weaker and you want more practice. You can definitely practice from the toppers answer sheet. You can practice from the previous year's paper, because this book has one previous year paper. If you do not want to practice much, then you can buy this book. If you do not want to solve many previous year's paper as well, you do not get time, you can take this book. You can solve one previous year paper, you can solve the sample paper, because mostly 1 or 2 questions are definitely asked from the sample papers, and the questions are really similar to that of the sample papers. So These were all the sample papers book for all the subjects. Now for the objective type questions. This book from Together With is the bestest book for solving the objective type question. It has this is the best book for solving objective type questions. This has all the solution of maths. You get the objective for maths, science and social science. You will get the objectives for maths, science and social science with the answers at the back of the book. Now for solving the objective type questions, you should always study your textbook thoroughly. If you are studying your textbook properly, if you are solving each and every example given in your textbook properly, then you will be able to solve the objective type questions very easily. And sometimes the objective type questions are practical based as well. So like for science, you have 2 chapters at the end of biology that is related to waste management and all that, reuse, biological magnification. So you will get the practical based question, that what can be the substitute for plastic bags if we are using them, how can we discourage the use of plastic bag, how can we promote the use of cloth bag. Such type of questions are asked for 1 mark. So those questions are practical based, so you have to apply your thinking capacity or brain in that. But this book even gives you such questions, and this is a very good book for solving the objective type questions. And there are more than 90 questions of one chapter, especially of history and even of science. So you will get a variety of questions, not only tick mark questions, because objective type questions has first of all assumption and reasoning. What will be the assumption, what will be the reasoning, fill in the blanks, match the following. Objective type questions and definitions are also coming. So this book has all such kind of questions of each and every chapter separately. So if you are done with life processes, you have studied that chapter from your textbook, you can solve the objective questions because you will be able to solve them really quickly. So this is the best book for that. So thank you for watching my video. If you like this, then do subscribe my channel. Thank you.